Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 61RANGE Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE Luxury. The vehicle is metallic gold finish and it comes with a 20-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels are in good condition. The vehicle's got also privacy glass, front and rear parking sensors, keyless entry and go, 360 view cameras, which I'm gonna demonstrate it for you shortly. It's got also a electric tailgate, split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. And the front view of the vehicle. It's got xenon headlights, front fogs, the front parking sensors, I mentioned them, the front facing cameras and headlamp washers. It's got full leather interior in beige color with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation. Speakers on the rear doors, child lock as well, and for your safety it's got front side and rear airbags. We have the side airbags on the side of the seats, and over there are the rear airbags. Too close to me so I cannot focus. Maybe the other one. Yeah, they are over there. So it's got, by the way, I forgot to mention that it's got rear heated seats in there. Twin electric seats with electric lumbar support and memory driver seat. It's got electric windows and folding mirrors, Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system, auto headlights. Seats are in very good condition. Automatic transmission with the newest shape. As I mentioned, it's got keyless entry and go. All we have to do is to press the button and it pops out. Very amazing, good looking. It's got the terrain adjustments, driving selections for the height. Right now I've set it up to the lowest position. It's got the center armrests, both driver and passenger side armrests as well. Under the center armrest we have the USB slot and the iPod connectivity and a refrigerator, which is very cool for your cans, drinks. Then it's got multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side, voice commands on the right hand side, heated steering wheel. I love this feature on the vehicles. Electric steering wheel as well, electric power. Then obviously it's got front heated seats, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, which is digital, front heated windscreen, going to the menu over there. Gonna start from the DAB radio. It's got DAB radio, TV,
This is about 8 inches higher than it looks like the original.
as you can see, the software is one of the latest SAC. The older ones aren't like that, the style, looking very good to me. Then the satellite navigation, then you can see the Bluetooth connectivity. Extra features, we have the 360 view cameras, As you can see, two front facing, under the mirror side ones, and the rear view camera. If you just put on reverse, it's gonna activate the reversing camera, by the way. Then it's got auto dimming rear view mirror and some storage department, and then the key for the tow bar. I'm not sure if there is one. And in the glove box we have the user manual. This was the video walk around of the 61 Range Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE Luxury. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.